Hi guys, this is Gracie Ann from Strong Queen Agency. So kung gusto mo ng extra income guys, just download the Nikki Live. So ayan, download nyo ang Nikki Live and tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumita dito. So ayan. So guys, I already download the Nikki Live. So first step is you need to log in. So, okay, you need to log in first via Google, Facebook, or number. So, I put my number first to log in. Click the next. Then, after that, if you want to create your nickname, then just put your nickname. Example, RC. Then, set your birthday. Then, click the next. Then, click the skip. So, allow Nikki Live to access this device approximate location. Then, click the while using the app. Next step is click the live button and you need to authenticate. Click the verify. To ensure the security of your account, please complete face verification first, then agree and verify. Then scan your face. Then after you scan your face, you need to wait the system message of Nikki. That's for today's video, guys. That's for today's video, guys. In my next video, I will teach you how to live. So, drop your comment in the comment section. Follow me and react this video. Thank you for watching, guys.